Today I am introducing Instagram Scrapper, the best extension, best tool. You will never get such a best tool and best data scrapper from Instagram. Uh, let's move there. Let's. I'm already logged into Instagram, and this is the Instagram Scrapper. Uh, you can extract the followers of a user. You can extract the following of that user, and you can also extract the user from hashtag, from like, comment, location. If you have a user list, you can extract the data from user list. So it's a long tutorial, but I don't want to make a long video for boring. I will just introduce the main feature, the following and followers, and hashtag, the main features. Okay. Well, I want to extract the followers. For example, I want to extract the followers of rock. What? Elon Musk. For example, it's Elon Musk official profile, and I'm a follower of this. I want to follow this. Okay. Now I want to extract the followers of Elon Musk profile. These followers. So how you can do that? I just click on extension. It will automatically detect the profile, Elon Musk official username, and that the time delay or like 2 seconds to 20 seconds is by default. Okay. Now I'm start this extracting the data of Elon Musk profile from Instagram. It has a huge follower list because it's a very famous personality. Everybody know about the Elon Musk. So it will extract data, email, phone number if publicly available. Mean if user has no any privacy, so it will extract the data. If email, phone number available publicly, again mentioning you, because a lot of people are saying that not extracting the good data of so for them, for those people who do not understand the things, I want to tell you already that if email and phone number publicly available in their profile, so it will extract the data. Okay. So just wait and watch. It's extracting the data of Elon Musk followers, and it's very secure. It's very secure. If you think that this will ban your Instagram ID or anything, so I'm giving you 90% surety that it will not ban your Instagram ID. Okay. Check the followers following and post on his Elon profile, and also mentioning the border. Here's the option: you can export in Excel and CSV file. If you want to export as video, depend on your choice. If you think this is slow, you don't need to in hurry position. You don't need to fast, because faster will be the action, as you know. So always work slowly and cleverly. Okay. Also, it's extracting the biography of that Elon Musk business CEO, other and people mention targeting marketing on or anything you want. Also showing the date of birth of that person. This is very good thing, and this is very uh, good tool for Instagram email extractor, Instagram data scraper. It's also showing you that got one email, got one phone number of someone user there in the list. You see, got another email address. It was publicly available. Sorry, actually, weather is not good here, so I got some, sickness, flu, a cough. So apologize for if you got some disturbance in my voice. So move to second page. First page was completed with 20 numbers, 20 members data. Also getting the avatar and user ID, the name. I will go to the up to 30 members because not much time to wait for long. Cannot expect long followers for a long thing. So you will have to do all the thing with yourself. Okay. Uh, when you buy, when you get this tool, you will do it yourself. Okay. I'm just uh, creating a demo video to make you understand that it's extracting the data and good data, everything else. Okay. Got the 26 users, one phone number, two email addresses in Elon Musk profile, followers. Okay, it's done. I think I want to stop this. Okay. Now, if you want to export, I want to export all into Excel file. It's within one click, within 1 second, it's downloaded and extracted it in my Excel file. I'm showing you here. Oh, good data. This is very good data. Public email addresses, two email addresses, public phone number, one phone number, as publicly available. All the data it's extracted from the Instagram email extractor tool. That's very good thing. Okay, now um, let's move to the another feature. Let's move to the another feature. I want to leave it. Now I want to extract the data of following Elon Musk, following the profile. Elon Musk is following a seven people. Okay, let's move there. I want to extract Elon Musk followers, following. Okay, let's check it. Who's the lucky guy? Who's the lucky person that Elon Musk is following? Yeah. Um, okay. Elon Musk is following a seven profiles actually on Instagram and got one email address from them. Let's see. It's also extracting the biography of that profile. Second email address from following. Okay. You can do many things with this Instagram scraper. Actually, this scraper has You can extract the data from hashtag, like, comment, location, user list. Already told you that. Um, if you want to get and you want to purchase, so just contact me. I will put my contact number on the screen, and you can see. And furthermore, uh, I will also put my WhatsApp number in my description. Check the description also. Seven. Elon Musk is following a 7%, so it's 7% completed, and now download it. Okay, it's downloaded 7%. Elon Musk profiles. Got some email address. It out. You can check it. Okay, now let's try to the next feature, main feature. Here, hashtag. I want to search hashtag. For example, marketing. So hashtag marketing. It will get the data related to marketing. Extract the data from a hashtag. Hashtag, any hashtag you can use. You can use real estate. You can use construction. You can use business. You can use the student. Maybe get the student data also. So for hashtag marketing, getting the good data from Instagram, uh, some profile, some fan page, got the email, phone numbers. That's very good and amazing. It's a very huge list. So I wanted to show you the demo actually. So this video will be long. So I'm just stopping it right now. You can just spot it, and I want to show you there how this look like. I hope you understand all the things, and rest of the other features you will do it yourself, and you can experience, and you can extract the data by location. You can if you have a user list, you can upload the user list if you have any user list. Okay, so this is a very amazing tool for email extractor, email is scrapping, phone number scrapping from Instagram. So contact me on WhatsApp. uh, no trial, no trial, because this is the fresh video. You can check the date, time, night time, and fresh date, 16th of June and 15th of June and 2023 is a fresh video. So no trial available. Just watch the video and get the tool. Okay, thank you very much. Subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I will upload the next video for a Facebook data extracting tool that's very amazing and most demanding tool in the market. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.